Hey YouTube, I got this Spotless car wash system from Costco. It's a deionizer, and it's basically a filter that removes minerals from the water, so you could wash and rinse your car and not worry about water spots. And theoretically, you don't need to wipe it dry, so especially with a black car, you have more time to dry the car and not worry about water spots, which are a pain to remove, and very difficult to remove, especially, and very visible on a dark color, especially like I mentioned, black color car. So it's on sale. Normally it's 160. It's on sale right now. Well, it was on sale and it goes on sale periodically for about 120. And it comes with an extra filter. Comes with that TDS meter to measure the deposits, total dissolved solids, TDS, in the water. So I also added a quick disconnect here, so you can quickly connect and disconnect, very convenient, like that. And also one on the on this unit, there's a fitting that connects to right there. So I've been considering getting these filtered deionizer for spot free there, but they're pretty pricey, usually a few $100s. The one that I was looking at by CR, they have a couple version, run about $300-400. They are of course much larger, and there's one that comes with a cart, but I didn't really want to spend that much for car washing, so this one's a lot less expensive, but it is smaller, but hopefully that's good enough to do the job. There's probably have to change the filter more often. It does come with an extra one, and they do sell a replacement filter, I think $40 each, or they come in 2-pack for $80 on Costco.com. Okay, looks like to change the filter is pretty easy. Push this button, turn it quarter turn, and which I already did, and then basically there's the filter material inside that bag. You just pull out the bag and put the new one in. So very easy. So the instruction says that one bag of this resin is good for about 10 rinses. It comes with 2 bags, and again, it depends on how hard your water is. And this meter, TDS meter, is useful for determining when it's time to replace the resin bag. Well, I'm testing how hard the water is, tap water. So you'll see it. It's reading about 110, 100, 109. Testing water out of the filtered refrigerator, and it's reading 79. So here's water from the swimming pool. Should read much higher because I'm sure there's a buildup. Actually, yeah, there it is. So 187. Okay, so I got the filter hooked up, as you can see. I'm gonna take some sample and measure the TDS. Nice. It's showing up as 0, as you could see. So the car is pretty clean except for, of course, the brake dust that you see now. But so I'm rinsing it. I'm not really washing it, and so I'm using the deionizer so I don't have to spend a lot of time drying it. And as you can see, the ceramic coating is beating off the water pretty well. I've had it for about a year now, the coating. Okay, so this is the results. I did wipe it. I mean, I guess I just want to play it safe. I don't know, I'm just used to it. But it's nice not to worry about having to rush before it dries up. So and could be a little bit sloppy at wiping. So I'm gonna check back with the mirrors and a few spots and see. Okay, so I'm checking back, and it's dried now, and I don't see any spots. Usually there's a streak of water from this window here coming down, and it looks good. And then usually there's water. There's still some now, and water spots here, so it looks good. Okay, another thing to keep in mind is the Spotless resin filter will eliminate water spot, but what it won't do is if you do a poor job washing, or if you wash your car in the sun with soap, when the soap dries up, you will get and you don't rinse it well, you will see the deposit from the dirt or from the soap that dried up. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.